Hello, my beauty pools. So, I went to watch a 2 day performance of Dance in Dream Academy. The theme was Ichedana, meaning Wings of Desire. On the first day, we not only saw amazing performances of different groups.
अर्धशीर्ष पर शशि उजियारा अर्धशीर्ष गंगा की धारा अर्धभाल चंदन लपटाए अर्धभाल सिंदूर सुहाए আপন ভোলা পীড়িতের নাগরদোলা মাদুলির বাতাসে তোকে নিয়ে অচিন পরে আকাশে পলাশ রঙে ঝলক ঝলক চল
A beautiful solo by someone I knew. And little cutie patooties dancing. It was so cute.
মোদের খেল দেখি একবার যেন কেউ নেই সাথে খেলবার একা একা কাটে সববার
But also, there was a dance drama of Tashat Desh or Land of Cards, a very famous satirical dance drama by Rabindranath Tagore. Also, it was my first time watching a dance drama, and it was whimsical and beautiful. The characters, the mix of contemporary ballet and classical dances together, the costumes, the makeup, the stage, the lighting, the acting. It was like a fantastical time. Hats off to all the dancers, all the choreographers and coordinators, and people who made it possible for the performance to come alive. Even the simplest of details were portrayed so nicely. A few of my favorites were the sea waves done with this plastic sheet, moved to make it look like waves. Then the jester who would hop around a few times during the play, and the hairpins. I couldn't record a proper video of those, but they made hairpins according to the cards, which is such a minute detail, but it also represented the characters so well. And just like the hairpins, the skirts and pants also had prints of the cards at the hem, which was quite impressive to me. Also, the color palette of the costumes were so beautifully done too. Like when the people of the land of cards were all strict and following customs, it was all just black and white and red like the cards. But after they broke off from the shackles of rules and regulations, it was all the bright colors like greens and blues, reds, orange. Also, it showed how the prince and his friend had influenced the land to change from a strict lifestyle to a bright emotional one like the prince had. It was it was just beautiful. I don't have any other compliment than amazing, fantastic, beautiful. I wish I could watch the performance all over again, be in the audience and take in the glory of the show. Well, that was all for the first day. Second day, we actually got to the hall a little late, so sadly missed the first performance. Surely it was amazing. Anyways, the next performance was the same first group performance and solo from the first day, which was again beautiful. And then came the many more Western performances for the day after the classical ones were done. As compared to the first day, second day had more of ballet, contemporary, and even hip hop, jazz, and Bollywood. Again, the cutie patooties being the adorable little stars of the event. The anchor of the day was the creator of the academy, so we got to hear stories of the anchor and the choreographers, even the students, and many more of the people they cared about. It was lovely to see and hear all about it. How they showed respect with gifts and shared stories about the relationship with the creator, how cozy and close they were with each other and all their experiences. The second day was quite a bit personal, I felt. Again, lovely performances. My favorite ones were surely the ballet done by the senior group and also the Bollywood performance by the cuties. Maybe because I'm biased, maybe because I love the song Chance Be Dance. Honestly, childhood and nostalgia. So, and the last 10 performance of Malhari, again, one of my favorite songs. So that was the 2 day event of Ichedana by Dance in Dream Academy. And as I said, like so many times, it was beautiful. It was magical. It was cute with the little ones and whimsical and fun. It felt engaging in a way when I could recognize a song. Yeah, and I wish and I hope I get invited again like next year. I only have hopes. I'm just praying at this point because I love music, I love dance, and I just love staring at people who can dance and sing so well, of course, in a non creepy way. I don't care about genres. I just love watching performances or listen to any song. And if I like, I listen or watch it over and over again. Dance and music has been a hobby for the longest time I could think of, probably from the womb, because even my mother is a dance and music enthusiast. So it's kind of in the blood, it's genetics at this point. So yeah, that's it, I guess.